Now, we all know that iPhones have become increasingly popular for taking videos while traveling. I've been bringing my iPhone along for all of my outdoor trips as it's super convenient, portable, easy to use, and produces great quality video. You could say it has become a lifestyle for me and for many travelers. I'm sure you're one of them too. However, making your travel videos look epic can be challenging when starting out. It takes time and practice, but hey, once you get the hang out of it, it will be much easier as you will know what to look out for and have created a sort of mindset as a mobile video creator. That's why I recommend investing some time in this video on how to make your iPhone travel videos look cinematic. This way you can show your videos to your friends and they'll be like, wow, did you hire someone to do this? So with that said, let me show you the travel video I shot of Paris using my iPhone. So I hope you enjoyed that short travel video I filmed using my iPhone 13 Pro Max. As you can see, with the proper techniques and tools, you can quickly transform your travel videos into something cinematic looking. Now, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Bennett Grazer, and keeping it mobile is what I do. Now, before we get started, this video is sponsored by Artlist. I want to thank them for supporting this channel. I will talk more about them later. So, as mentioned in this video, I will share with you some useful tips and tricks to help you make your travel videos look awesome, guys. The first tip would be to find your inspiration. For my trip to Paris, I actually watched some cinematic travel videos shot on an iPhone on YouTube, which really helped me visualize and gave me some ideas of how I want my travel video to be. I like to watch different scenes and angles and shots that have been used, so when I go out in the field with my iPhone, I already, have some ideas of what kind of scenes or shot I want to include in my video. I'm not saying you should, copy what others have done, but rather get inspired by them to find something unique in their video that you could add to your own shooting style. One of my inspirations is Andy Do, for example. He's a New York-based filmmaker who creates these incredible travel videos on his iPhone. What I like about his work is his ability to tell great stories. What's crazy is that his edits aren't really that complicated. Most of his mobile videos have basic yet clever transition, well-paced speed ramps, and time lapses. His ability to tell a compelling story is what makes his videos so unique. Whenever I watch one of his videos, I feel inspired to create my own and try out new ideas and techniques. If you're feeling uninspired, just take the time to watch some travel videos shot on an iPhone. You'll then be fired up to go out and shoot some awesome videos, and you feel like you want to punch someone in the face. That's not correct. All right, number 2 is to change your angle. One of the best rules to follow when making an iPhone travel video is to capture the scene from different angles. I call it the 3-shot rule. Now what this means is that you should always shoot the same scene from 3 different angles, a wide, mid, and close-up shot. This way you'll have multiple angles to choose from when editing your video together, and it will create more of a complete scene. Rather than capturing random shots, think about how each angle can contribute to the story you're trying to tell. For my Paris video, I captured the violinist from multiple angles, which gives the viewer a better understanding of what's happening as it provides more context. Also avoid shooting from eye level constantly. Not all shots have to be shot from the same angle. Play around with it, try to capture different perspectives of your subject or environment. Think about getting up higher or going low to the ground. This will allow you to create a more visual, interesting piece rather than capturing everything from eye level, as we see the world like that anyway. This leads me to my next tip, which is to start thinking creatively. Thinking outside of the box and trying out different shots is the key to being creative. Don't be afraid to experiment with new angles or techniques. It's easy to take just a basic wide shot of the scene in front of you, but if you want to up your game and make an interesting cinematic video, you'll need to get out of your comfort zone. Just get out there and start filming. I usually just carry my iPhone around in my pocket and take short clips of whatever catches my eye. For example, you could take a shot of something that looks intriguing, for example, an interesting door lock or a unique pattern. The point is, don't be afraid to experiment and try different techniques, because that's how you will find your own style and discover something new. Now, the next big thing is really important, is finding the right music. When it comes to adding music to your travel videos, it's important to find the right track that will complement the story and evoke the desired emotion. Music can either make or break a video, so it's important to find something that fits the vibe you're going for, and that is where our sponsor Artlist comes into play. I get all of my music from Artlist. They have over 18,000 high quality soundtracks to choose from, and once you purchase a subscription, you get access to the entire catalog and can download as many songs as you want. The best part about Artlist is the intuitive search feature. When selecting your music, think about the feeling and emotion you want to portray. This way you can use Artlist's wide range of criteria, such as picking out the mood or feeling you're going after. So for the video of Paris, the mood I picked was exciting. Then you can also choose genre or the style of music. For that, I chose the music to be classic and cinematic. And there are many other criteria to choose from to narrow your search to help find the perfect song for your video. So if you're looking for quality music, Artlist is an amazing choice. And if you use the link in the video description below, you can get 2 months additionally for free. Now, the next big tip is to invest in the right equipment. Now, you can definitely create stunning videos just using your iPhone, but with certain tools, you can make your shooting experience much better. Some of my must-have iPhone travel video equipment are a sling bag, a gimbal, a tripod, a telephoto lens, and a power bank. Now, this might be different for each person depending on what type of iPhone travel video you're shooting, but for the type of work I'm doing, these items have become essential to my filming process. So for me, a sling bag forces me to bring only the necessary tools with me, as there is limited space in it. I always bring also a gimbal with me, just a second, which is the DJI OM6, and easily fits into my bag. And this gives me the ability to create these awesome hyperlapses. And I also bring a tripod with me, as I can use it to capture time lapses or to film myself and use it as B-roll. And I also bring a telephoto lens with me for capturing subjects that are far away. And finally, I would also bring a power bank with me because, you know, shooting videos on an iPhone can drain the battery quickly, especially when it's cold outside, and also when you're using third-party apps.